We are in Buffalo, Oklahoma. That is not Buffalo, New York, by the way.
So when you're drinking banana pudding, watch that last step.
Cheers. So I'll turn it over to you guys.
We have fun.
Good morning, Mild Hogz.
Morning.
It is time for us to head back home. Going to be a weathery, maybe possible wet day. We got clouds all around us. You can kind of see it. The dew and as it really high, humidity's probably really high. Fog is there. So we're still going to take our back roads though. We're going to head down to Highway 11. And then down to Alva, and then over to Highway 35. Once we get to 35, we'll probably start gunning a little bit faster so we can get back to the pool. So, but it says that we're about 5 hours from home. Mm-hmm. For us, that means 8 hours or 10, typically, but that's okay. And then CO Coach back here getting everything put together.
Since they have no tour pack.
Yeah, unfortunately,
we'll see that later.
The tour pack broke. And so it's caused a little bit of having to figure out different ways to get stuff back home. And so for those that have tour packs, you know, you kind of always hear about it until it actually happens. But that plate that's in there, if too much weight is in it, and it bounces just right, that plate where right around the edging of it, that plastic actually breaks around the metal plate. And so it's not necessarily what's attached, but it is just the plastic that is around that metal plate that actually cracks and breaks open. So
ingenuity.
And have some.
We have the MacGyver it.
Yep. We have. Luckily, we do have Mr. MacGyver right here. He is the MacGyver of MacGyvers, and you know.
Which that also means that Diana does not have a backrest. She doesn't have a tour pack. So we had to.
We kind of had to be innovative here.
Had to figure out how to make that happen for her, so she would still be.
She's amazing, and she's a warrior for sure.
She's the real motorcycle mama.
Yeah, she is definitely. It's kind of taken a little bit of uncomfortability and just made it happen. So we appreciate her big time for stepping in and stepping up and just making it home. So, all right, well, we are getting ready to head down to Alva. Should be a fun little trip. We do appreciate you joining, being a part of our Mild Hog group, and come ride with us.
Like and subscribe.
Oklahoma. We're going to get some commentary from each one of us from our group and kind of closing notes, really. It's been a wonderful experience. We have done almost the full circle of going through Colorado. You have Clint and Tammy right here, and obviously, hi, I'm Shannon. Over here, hot tamales, and so she's eating cracked corn right now. We're going to turn over to you. Yeah, it is more cracked than corn. We're going to turn over to these lovely folks here. They're great, wonderful friends of ours. We've been together for quite a long time through football. They're boys and our boys and stuff like that. Matter of fact, one of them is here, right? Or
no.
Alva, or no?
Where's your?
No, where did they play football? Where'd Brick go?
Weatherford.
Weatherford, that's what it was in Weatherford, which is ironic because that's where I have family that lives out there too. Yeah, it's Sloppy, yep. So we'll turn it over to you guys. What's some final thoughts of the trip?
Well, I got some words of wisdom as far as, if you see our videos, we went through some pretty hairy hairpin turns, you know?
Yeah.
You're
And
gonna see it.
Brent has also checked it out, but, you can control your bike with your feet as well as your hands and everything else, and your body. Just make sure you're into your turn.
Yeah.
And
you know, going at the appropriate speed and everything, you know.
Yeah.
And go to Share the Road to find out more videos and classes you can ride your bike, teach you how to ride your bike.
Yeah.
And make you a safer time. Right?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
And then my last word of wisdom is for the rider. It says when you're drinking banana pudding, watch that last step. Because it'll make the rest of the ride a lot more enjoyable.
Oh,
Very good. Yeah.
there's some good words of wisdom
good.
that, well, you might not know because this is not on video, but one of the nights we might have explored into, you know, some extra cocktails of adult beverages.
Yeah.
And one of those being banana pudding moonshine, right?
Yep.
And Clint unfortunately took a little bit of a fall and might have fallen off a step and hurt himself just a smidge. But yeah, definitely kind of look out for your rider, because if you're the driver and you can't drive, then the rider
And your rider's stuck too.
is obviously impacted as
Thankfully,
well.
he was okay, and he was able to finish out the trip.
Yeah, Clint's a strong man. He's a good guy, and he definitely muscled through and made it through. So we appreciate
tough
you. I know
man.
Tammy does too.
Yeah.
Otherwise, she's still up there in Colorado, and we'd just phone her back. But no, it's been a wonderful trip. You guys are wonderful people. Thank you so much for being a part of this with us.
Hey, it's a good group. We have fun. We've been back and forth. Just ribbing each other all the time, you know. So it's an enjoyable trip.
Yeah.
Fun group to ride.
Tammy, you got anything last thing? No, okay. We love Tammy. Speaking of,
the best laugh.
she has the best laugh, but she also was the one to go against her fears and ride
She
the
zip-lined.
across the
You'll see that
gorge,
later.
which is awesome.
Stay tuned.
So, you know, that says a lot in itself, and the fact that you face your fears and you jump right into it, be uncomfortable, so you can press yourself forward. So awesome job, Tammy.
Yeah.
That is
Yeah.
awesome.
Thank you.
All right, well, we are going to head out. We are on our way, I think, to Blackwell, I believe, Oklahoma. So we're going to Alva. That was loud. But thank you again for being a part of the Mild Hogz Liverpool and being a part of our channel. We appreciate all of you, and we will be back on the other side. See ya.
Come on, Aaron.
Well, come on, Aaron.
Doing it together.
You're guys doing it together.
2 for the price of 1.
2 for the price of 1.
All right, what do you want to know?
All right, we are back. We are almost home. We are at Casey's. Casey's, we're still waiting on your phone call. We are in Casey's in where? In Thompson?
Blackwell.
Blackwell. Okay, Blackwell. I didn't know where the hell we were, so we're in Blackwell. We are getting ready to jump on the highway so we get home pretty quickly. We're gonna do twosome here to finalize between. There's Leslie. There she is. She's in the background. There she is. But we're gonna get some final thoughts from John, Leslie, and also from Aaron and Heather, just on the trip and kind of like what they liked, and you know, if there's anything else they'd like to share. So I'll turn it over to you guys.
We had fun. Anything you want to add?
It was a blast.
Do you know what to do with your hands now?
Go to Colorado.
There you go.
You know, I think today, actually, the ride today has been by far the best. Yeah.
There's nothing like getting back to the flat lane.
So if you're ever out and about, being able to drive anywhere from Buffalo to Blackwell, I would do it.
Oh, yeah. You get a chance to ride through Alva, Oklahoma. Miss Edwards' old stomping grounds.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Oh, Alva.
definitely worth it.
Now we know why she is the way she is.
Yeah. Makes sense.
It all makes sense.
Somehow you're getting pulled into this video.
We could hit
even though
another
you're not even here.
golf cart path. That'd be good.
What now?
We could hit another.
Oh, a Brent path?
Yeah,
I got you. Brent golf cart path. That's cool.
One from the Royal Gorge area. That was pretty.
Skyline one.
Yeah,
Skyline. It's really nice.
I do miss looking out and seeing mountains,
yeah,
but I'm glad to be home.
yeah. Me too. It's good. It'll be good.
Oklahoma will always be home.
Yeah, it'll be good to be back with our families and
Yep.
stuff. So it's been a while. It's been
There's
gone
only
for a
one.
while.
Number one.
Only one Oklahoma.
Yeah, there's only one.
Boomer sooner.
Boomer sooner. All right. Well, thank you so much for being a part of it. You guys are wonderful. We love you, and we're gonna miss
Heather,
you.
would you like to say something?
I'm good.
Yeah. Heather,
good.
Leslie.
I would say have somebody in your group that's a planner.
Yes.
Oh, very good. To show up with bags.
Yeah. Be a planner. Have a planner. That is good. Is
One out of the 10 has to be a planner.
yeah, one. Just one.
Not me.
Who knows?
I never know where we are.
But it is good to know where you're going, where you're going to be, how you're going to get there, how you're going to travel, and so you can make it there safely and get back home. So awesome. Everything.
See you on the other side.
Heather's always
See you on
good.
the other side. You said it.
See you on the other side.
Like and subscribe.
Like
There
and
you go.
subscribe.
Yeah, we lived in I didn't know that. Pocket City. My grandma lived in Pocket City. Yeah. And then.
What's up, everyone? Hope you've enjoyed this video. Coming back from Colorado. As you can see, I'm here by myself, and that's because it is number one's birthday. And I'm trying to give her a little bit of a break from all this. And so I'm going to try to do this as a lonesome dove here. We're getting ready to go on another experience here very soon. I'm going to do an announcement on that as we'll be taking off mid-April to a different location. And so more to come on that, but we are now here to celebrate some channels. And we're going to start out with the two channels that we want to highlight, and that is Rolling on 2 and then also Riding Texan. Rolling on 2 has been with us for a long period of time, getting on his Harley and taking off to do the state Texas tour. And a couple of people from the Texas area have done the state Texas tour and really enjoy watching those experiences. I wish we had something like that in Oklahoma. I know I've been challenged by a couple of you that I need to go make this happen on my own, and I'm like, that's not happening. So, but I appreciate all that you've done to help support us, and then also Riding Texan. Man, like if you want to go figure out how to do a how-to video and you're on YouTube, go check out his channel. He's done a couple of those over here recently and does a really nice job of being able to explain in detail like how to facilitate the repair or putting something new on your bike. And so and also his channel is growing too as well. He's almost to 1,000. Let's see if we can get him there, help support him get over that line. And so we appreciate both of those two channels for all that they do to help support us here at the Mild Hogz. We also got mail from Lano Rider. Check this out. Lano Rider, thank you so much for bringing, sending me a sticker. Man, that was awesome. And for any of those that are wanting some Mild Hogz stickers, I do have them, and I'd love to send them to you. So go check out our Instagram page. I'll put the link right here in the video so that way you can see that. And you can send us a message, and I'll be glad to be able to send you some stickers too as well. And if you want to send us stickers, like, let us know. We'd love to take them. I think it's amazing experience being able to share those with one another out on the road, but then also as we can do this behind the YouTube channel too as well. So the last two channels I do want to make sure that I highlight from Texas, and that is the Jay Jeffrey Music and then also Bogey Biker. I know I've talked about his channel so many times, but dude, I just love his content. I love both of them. Jay is his brother, Jack is Bogey Biker. He called out our channel on his last video. Thank you, Jack. That meant the world to us and really solidified why we do this, and I cannot thank you enough for that. But if you love music, go check out Jay Jeffrey Music. It's an awesome channel. I have the link right here and then also in my description, and then Bogey Biker too as well. As you can see, I got my Rusty Bolt shirt on. Check it out. I hope that shows up on video, but don't let the hard days win. Man, that can speak volumes to so many different things and levels in our lives, and so try not to let those hard days win. thank you for being a part of this adventure and experience with us. I want to say thank you so much to all of our new subscribers, also all the subscribers that have been with us for a long period of time. We have just passed over our year anniversary of our channel. I know YouTube says it's 2 years. Really, the first year was just us watching YouTube videos. It wasn't actually us producing content. We didn't actually start making content until like February last year or so. So we're really excited for what this year is going to bring. We've got a lot on the table and a lot to bring to you. So again, thank you for all of you that have participated, been a part of this, like, subscribe, watched our videos, taking the time to do so, and taking the time to comment. Those mean a lot to us, and I make sure that I respond to every single one of those for you. So thank you again. We'll see you on the other side. And again, hope you enjoyed this journey from Colorado back home.